and teach and Chef Pete's Carpizzo's Kitchen, because today we're making a one-pot Italian fantastic delicious, and I'm using a one pot with some ground lamb to start, because we're going to do a pasta dish in one pan. So I've already got our lamb brown. I got a little salt, a little pepper, a little oregano. Now I'm going to add to this, I'm going to dice up some onion so we can have some onion in there. Because remember, you can use whatever pasta you like.
Oh, that smells good already.
Doesn't it smell good, the lamb? Oh boy, lamb. So let's get the onion right in there. I'm using about a quarter of a good sized onion, everybody. So, you know, for those of you that have never watched Carpizzo's Kitchen, we do a lot of one pot wonders here. But today it's a fantastico Italian Greek one.
Having an Italian feast, a fista. Fista all'Italia.
All right, so we've got this going. We got our onion in there. And I'm going to get a couple of cloves of garlic. I'm using minced garlic.
Oh, well, let me come over there and see what's happening.
Come on over here. Bring the camera over here so everybody can see.
Oh, it's a little shaky, but that's okay.
All right, so now we've got our onion in. We've got our meat browned. I'm using a little olive oil. If you have a lot of grease on your meat when you're browning it, don't forget you can drain that off. I would, so that way you have a little less saturated fat from the lamb. And I'm going to add some more oregano here. You can put Italian seasoning if you like. And then at the end, I'm going to put spinach in after the pasta cooks for about 10-12 minutes. And then I'm going to put spinach in at the end with a little basil to give it a little beautiful basil twang, okay? All right, so while this is cooking and the onions are getting, I'm going to come back to the board here, and I am going to put in some diced tomatoes. So I use San Marzano tomatoes, everybody.
Oh, these are the best.
And I just get the whole ones like this, and I dice them up. Or you could buy at the store a regular diced tomato, Italian diced tomato, whatever you like. And I need probably about 12, 13 ounces, something like that.
Oh, look at those tomatoes. Those are red.
And what we're going to do with these is get them into our pot, so our beautiful pasta dish with the lamb has some beautiful flavor to it. So we're just going to come right into it. I've already browned the meat, for those of you that are thinking I didn't brown it.
Well, welcome everybody who's coming on. Hello, hello, hello.
Welcome to our channel. This is Healing Teaches Carpizzo's Kitchen, and we are making a one-pan dish today with an Italian Greek twist with ground lamb.
This is an Italian fiesta.
We are making a beautiful pasta one-pan dish, everybody, for those of you that are coming in. And what we're going to do...
Super good. It smells so delicious.
And what we're going to do is let this cook for a couple of minutes, and then we need to put our pasta in. So our pasta needs to go into the pan. And today, you could use rotelli. I'm using rigatoni.
Wait, say hello to everybody.
Oh, everybody, hi, Chef Pete. You know, I get all worked up when I'm cooking. So welcome to our channel. Remember, it costs nothing to subscribe. So this is Pete reminding you, put your pasta in next, okay? And you don't put it all in.
Okay, so wait a minute. What was the meat in there for people that are just tuning in?
Today, our meat is ground lamb. You could certainly use ground turkey. You could use ground beef. Use whatever you like. Whatever meat you like. Bison meat.
You're not even cooking the pasta.
What we're going to do now, because we're making a one pasta dish, everybody. A one-pot pasta dish. All right. Now I'm
Yes, give us a thumbs up. We need a lot of thumbs up because
we're gonna put about 2 cups of chicken broth in here, and then we're gonna put the lid on this, and we are going to let it come to a boil, and we are going to let the pasta cook. So we're gonna get this all mixed up. We're gonna let the pasta cook with our tomatoes and our meat and our onion and our garlic and everything, and then we will have a beautiful one-pot pasta dish, okay? And remember, you can use whatever pasta you like. Just adjust the time of your cooking to make sure you get your pasta cooked well the way it needs to be. Okay, so I'm going to put the lid on this and let me explain to you what I'm going to do after this pasta cooks. I've got some spinach, but you could use, if you don't want spinach, you could use kale, use whatever green you like, okay? But I'm going to use spinach today, and when we do...
Give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumb.
Give thumbs up, right? Anthony's right.
We need some thumbs up here to keep the algorithm going, please.
Yeah, you know, you guys know about the algorithm. I bet you all do. And, you know, the algorithm is something that's an interesting animal. You can't outsmart it, but we can work with it, okay? So remember,
Thank you. They're giving thumbs up.
Oh, my God. Thanks, you God, everybody, for doing this. We appreciate it. We've been around for over a year and a half. Carpizzo's Kitchen has got over 4,000 videos under Heal, Lead, and Teach. We follow all the other chefs and everything. So follow me. I'm here to help you guys save money, okay? So as you can see, it's starting to boil here in our pot.
Oh my God, that looks so good.
All right, so we're gonna cook our rigatoni. You could use rotelli, or you could use linguine, or you could use whatever you like, okay? So remember, one pot of wonders, as I like to call them, makes it easy on the cleanup and easy to serve your family. So you make a salad, and what we need to do is I'm gonna just mix this up just a little bit and put the lid back on, and there we go.
What about the basil? I thought we were gonna...
The basil is gonna go in after the pasta is cooked, everyone, and I put the spinach in very last so it could wilt. Okay, we want the spinach to wilt. The spinach will take about 5 to 6 minutes.
Oh, they're saying they want to see it.
You want to see it? Okay, we can do it. We can wilt it. The pasta's got to cook, so I can put the spinach in. I'll just add more spinach, okay? So in goes the spinach, everybody. See how we do
Yeah, let me
this?
see that. Oh,
Alrighty?
yeah, that looks
So
good.
now, if you have fresh basil, it's all the better. I have some dried, which will work just as good.
Hello,
Just get it-
Christazan.
There we go. We've got it right there, and then I'm going to put the lid back on, and when we see you again, thank you for subscribing and liking and sharing and doing everything to help us out here at Carpizzo's Kitchen. And if you haven't gone to our channel page, it's called Heal, Lead, and Teach Carpizzo's Kitchen. We've got over 4,000 videos there. We've got
300 playlists.
300 playlists. I have cooked everything imaginable to help you out and save money and make your family happy. Okay, so this is Pete, and I'm gonna come back after this is cooked. So remember, make a one-pan wonder today, and this one's an Italian Greek-inspired dish with lamb meat. And thank you for thumbs up to everybody, and thank you. Remember to subscribe. Subscribing costs nothing. So this is Pete at Carpizzo's, as always, making my sign off, out.